Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned aims of chapter 4 and today we are going to read this chapter thoroughly. So let's begin. Long ago, when humans lived in caves, they used animal skin, leaves and bark of trees to cover themselves. Gradually, they learned the art of weaving and stitching clothes. These days, we wear different types of clothes. We need clothes all the time, like clothes for home, clothes for school, clothes for play, clothes for a party, and clothes for sleeping in. Clothes are important as to us as a house. So, students, you listened that an early man lived in a cave before they started developing buildings, and he did not know how to cover himself, how to wear something to put on it. With the development of his brain, he realized that he needed to wear or he needed to cover himself to protect him from its surroundings. So this is how an early man started wearing clothes. As we have a huge variety of clothes just because of the advancement of the time. Like you wear your school uniform in your school and occasional dresses on different occasions or functions. So our next topic is why do we need clothes? So let's begin. Good clothes make us look smart. They protect our body from dust, heat, cold, rain, and insect bites. So if we wear the same dress for many hours, what happens? It becomes dirty. Dust settles on it. If we do not wear clothes, the dirt would stick to our body. Clothes protect us from dust. People who work in the sun for a long time become tanned. The covered part of our body is usually fairer than the uncovered parts. Why? Because this shows that clothes protect us from the heat of the sun also. During winter, we like to wear thick and warm clothes. They protect us from cold. When we go out in the rain, we wear raincoats. They are made of waterproof material. A raincoat protects us from the rain. If we wear long sleeved clothes at night, we can protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Clothes, therefore, protect us from insect bites too. So, students, we need to wear clothes to protect ourselves. There are lot of things that we need to protect ourselves from. Okay, like sunlight, rain, cold, dust, and sometimes mosquito bites or insect bites. So, students, our next topic is material for clothes. So, basically, two materials we have. Let's begin. Clothes can be made from natural or synthetic material. So, two materials we have, natural and synthetic. So, cotton, here some examples are there, pictures are there from where we can get our natural materials. Like cotton and jute are the natural fibers obtained from plants, and wool and silk are the natural fibers that are obtained from the animals. Okay, so there are some examples that materials or fibers that we get from plants as well as from the animals. And let's begin. Its paragraphs are there. Natural fibers, that means the fiber that which we get from the natural material. Clear? So natural fibers are made from parts of plants or animals. We get fibers like cotton, jute and linen from plants, and we get fibers like wool, silk and fur from animals. Okay, so wool, from where we get wool? Yes, from sheep. And silk from silkworms, and fur, there are many animals whose fur we use for the utilizing as a fiber, like even lion, dogs, Okay, so bear also. So these are the common examples from where we can get fur to make its fiber. So the another one is synthetic fiber. So let's begin. Synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon and polyester are not found in nature. They are prepared artificially and are called man-made fabrics. These fabrics are stretchable, waterproof and wrinkle-free. They dry very quickly. Synthetic fabrics are non-porous. Okay, so synthetic fibers examples are like nylon, rayon and polyester. They are not derived from nature. Okay, so these are man-made fabrics. These fabrics are made by the man in their factories. Got it? So, and even they are non-porous. That means they do not have some pores to pass the air through them. Okay, so non-porous means without pores in it. Clear? So these were the things that we needed to complete today, and in the next video we will continue with our topic, that is the clothes we wear. Okay, so till that you need to practice these things like why do we need clothes and what are the different materials, natural and synthetics, and try to find out something more about these topics. Okay.